Turn the unit over on its side and remove the bottom cover. Using a 3/16 inch Allen wrench, remove all 12 bolts from the piston cover. Carefully remove the cover and set aside. Then, using a 5/16 Allen wrench, remove the center bolt from the piston. After the center bolt has been removed, the set screws will have to be removed from the pivot arm. Using a pick, remove the silicone from the pivot arm. Then proceed to remove all 4 set screws from the pivot arm. The last 2 set screws can be found under the first 2 set screws once they have been removed. Then carefully fill the piston with air to remove it from the base. To repair the piston, the 2 O-rings will need to be replaced. Also inspect the bushing for wear and tear, and replace if necessary. Once rebuilt, re-grease the whole surface. Then proceed to reinstall the piston, making sure the bushing lines up with the guide post. Using a rubber mallet, tap the piston back in. Once back in, re-grease the surface and apply a new gasket. Reverse removal steps for reinstall.